Alright, this is the first problem that I found with this kit. This is the correct hex nut, I think that's what they call it, for the job. It is not your standard one that you'd find like on a typical kit like this that you can buy from like, you know, any hardware store. This is using the T27, I think that's T20 on this thing, I don't know. But anyway, I had to get this one from the Hyper Tough, and it actually has the one that you need. But it's not your typical one, so just so you guys know, yeah. That may be a little problem, and I think the machine does not come with it, so yeah, that's where we are with this. And all you got to do is screw this in, and that'll be step one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.